Phonic sound practice. A to Z with words. A says a, apple. B says
B,
boy. C says
G,
cap. D says dog.
বুঝতে চাইছি।
E says egg. F says fan. G says gate. H says hat. I says ink. J says jam. K says king. L says leg. M says man. N says net. O says owl. P says pig. Q says queen. R says rat. S says sun. T says toy. U says umbrella. V says van. W says wall. X says Xmas. Y says yak. Z says zoo. এইভাবে ফোনিক সাউন্ড উইথ ওয়ার্ড প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। আরেকবার ফোনিক সাউন্ড। A says B says C says D says E says F says G says H says I says J says K says L says M says N says O says P says Q says R says S says T says U says V says W says X says X. Y says yak. Z says Z.